fashionista.
Oh, really? It's like that now. Is that what it's like? You can film people, but I can't?
Shit, there's an N64 logo on there. I want that so bad. For the memoirs of Jay-Z.
This is the memoirs of Jay-Z. He's peeing.
Look how long he's peeing.
I mean, that dog, where does that pee come from? He's been pissing for like 10 minutes.
He's just looking away. He's like, I gotta go. I gotta go.
Seriously? He's still peeing? How do you feel about peeing? Is he embarrassed, you think?
I don't think anymore.
They don't have that emotion, do they?
He's moaning. They don't have emotion. Animals don't have emotion.
No, not that one, like embarrassment. Like clearly he's pissing in front of us, and I don't know.
This is a Missy Elliott exclusive. When you wanna go around the